Welcome, grade 11s, to this lesson on trends in data. We will be examining the mean, median, mode, and range of a set of data. Let's start by revising what these are. The mean is the result of dividing the sum of the data by the number of data values. It can be influenced by unusually high or low numbers. These are called outliers. The median is the middle number in a data set when the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Mode is the piece of data that appears most often in the data set. Mean, median, and mode are called measures of central tendency and are different ways of looking at where the data seems to collect around a particular value. Next, we'll look at range. This is one of the measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion look at how the data is spread out. The range indicates how the data in the data set is spread out. It is the difference between the highest and the lowest values in the data set. If a larger range value was calculated, it would mean that the data is quite spread out. If a smaller range value was calculated, it would mean that the data is grouped close together. Let's apply these calculations to a set of data. Mr. Peters, the under 15B rugby coach, is not happy with the strength of the boys in the team. He wants them to follow a special food program to build muscle. But first, he has to record their masses in kilograms in order to monitor any changes. The table shows the masses in kilograms of the 18 players. Using the table, let's calculate the mean, median, mode, and range of the data. To start, I'm going to arrange the weights into ascending order. We only really need to do this when finding the median, but having the data arranged from smallest to largest makes it a lot easier to work with. The lowest weight is 55, and the highest or heaviest weight is 113 kilograms. In total, there are 18 weights listed. To find the mean, we first add all the weights together and then divide by the number of rugby players. This gives us 1,371 kilograms divided by 18. The mean equals 76,17 kilograms. Because there are 18 weights listed, the median falls between the 9th and 10th number. In this case, that is 75 and 77. We need to find the average of these two numbers. 75 plus 77 divided by 2 equals 76. The mode is the number that is the most frequent. 63 appears 3 times, whereas the numbers 73 and 77 only appear twice. That means that the mode is 63. We can see that the mean is slightly higher than the median and mode. Why is this so? There is one person's mass that is much higher than the others at 113 kilograms. The higher value is called an outlier. An outlier is a number much higher or lower than the rest of the set of data. And lastly, the range is the highest number minus the lowest number. Therefore, it is 113 minus 55. This equals 58 kilograms. There are both advantages and disadvantages for using each measure of central tendency. A bit of advice. Always calculate all 3 of the averages as well as the range and then compare the results. This way, you will soon see and be able to decide which average is the most representative of the majority of the data. Remember to look at the tasks for this section in the Working with Data Handling Tasks video. You will also be able to learn more about data handling on our website, www.mindset.co.za/learn. Goodbye.